Hi guys, so you see we're on the home page right now. That is what I talked about in my previous video. Now I want to kind of show you where your lessons are going to be, how you're going to find certain things. So before we talked about how to get to Zoom or maybe a Padlet. So those are things that are not exactly going to be work you do inside of Canvas. So that will take you to something different. So if you're like, what do I need to do today? You're going to go to something called modules. Now, right here, that looks like a lot. Yours is not going to look like this. Mine is the teacher mode. So I'm at modules. Yours will look something like mine. Now, I'm still working on these, so they're not complete, so don't freak out. What you need to do is that you need to go to the correct week that you are at. So week 1 is August 26th through the 28th. And so when you do, it will take you to a screen. In order to navigate through them, you will use, there's my previous video, the next page. That will take you to what you need. So once you know that you're in a different week or there's nothing left, it's blank, then you know that you are done with your modules. So say we're looking at week 2. It's week 2, say that's where we're at. It's going to tell you a little welcome of what the week will look like, give you a little bit of an introduction, and then if you click next, it'll take you right to some of the work that you need to do. So we have bell ringers, and so you'll take you to your bell ringers. Let me scroll down to next. And then it will take you to make your own name tag. But don't worry, that's for the next week. So what happens is that if there is nothing next, it will be blank. It will take you to a previous, but you can't go to the next. You guys got this. I got nothing but faith from you. If you have any questions, you can always ask.